On average, how many comments do you get on your channel every single day? Let us know in the comments below. And next, I'm going to show you how to answer more of those comments more efficiently so you can stay better connected with your audience. Let's do this.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
Let's get to the comments page first. To do this, click on your profile image in the top right hand corner of most YouTube screens and click on YouTube Studio. From this dashboard screen, click comments from the left hand navigation bar to display the most recent comments that have been posted on your channel, whether they be for your videos, community posts or YouTube stories. Underneath some of these comments, but not all comments, you will see smart reply boxes. To add these as a reply to the comment, all you need to do is click the box, which will populate the reply line, which you can edit if you wish before publishing. Oh, and while you're at it, you should do the decent thing and give the comment a thumbs up and a heart as well. Now, when smart replies appear, you don't always get the same options as they are context specific to the comment itself. Presumably, YouTube is picking out common phrases and predicted comments you might use as stock answers. Hopefully, over time, this will improve, giving you more smart replies to more comments. Hello, I'm Rob. Welcome to vidIQ, the YouTube tool, channel and academy that educates you on your YouTube journey. Make sure to subscribe so that we can help you grow your channel. Now, while this is a step in the right direction for YouTube, I wouldn't exactly call them smart replies. First of all, they're fairly infrequent replies, and I would also say they're pretty dumb replies, since each one only contains a few words and a smiley if you're lucky. Well, there is a tool that can do this a lot better, and it's absolutely free. Let me show you what it is. Let's take this as an example. On a video about how to get 1,000 subscribers, we see a person who has posted a comment, but they only have 6 subscribers. We know this because we have vidIQ installed, and along with the sub count, you will see this vidIQ button. If you click it, it opens up the comment template tool where you can create stock answers to questions and comments that you get that are specific to your channel. So in this case, we can reply with some videos that will help the creator get to 100 subscribers before they even tackle 1,000 subscribers. And we've done all of this in a matter of seconds. Over the years, vidIQ has received more than 2 million comments, so we know we get asked all the time about playlists and thumbnails and 4,000 hours, that's a big one. But we also have a lot of ways to say thank you, which, thanks to vidIQ's tool, auto-populates a commenter's name to personalize a response. Our general recommendation is that you respond to every single comment on your channel, like I'm going to do with this video. But eventually, as your channel grows, it becomes impossible. But YouTube's smart replies, in combination with vidIQ's comment template tool, which, to remind you, is 100% free, at least gives you a fighting chance of responding to a lot more comments than typing out each one by hand. Oh, and if you're unfamiliar with vidIQ, it lets you research YouTube, analyze every single video on the platform, audit your own channel, and suggest actionable steps that will help grow your YouTube channel. It is free to download. There is a link in the video description. Now I'm going to point you in the direction of this tutorial, which shows you exactly how comment template tools works from vidIQ. In the meantime, I'm going to start responding to your comments on this video. And I've got hundreds already.